are about to get ready and go pet some tigers. And I got this bad boy right there. So you can have that first person experience. You dig? It's gonna be dope. All right, let's get to it. Welcome to Tiger Kingdom with Living Los Bakers. And this is arguably the most sought out excursion in all of Thailand. It is absolutely a must do if you are in this region of the world. Okay, what I love about this excursion is you do not need reservations. You can literally walk into Tiger Kingdom and choose whichever tiger or cheetah encounters that you want. Oh, I need to go to the bathroom. Whoa. Can you hold this for me?
Yes.
It'd be just like that. Just like that. That'd be perfect.
Is it doing a movie?
It's gonna go on our YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
There are 6 total encounters to choose from. You have the option to sit with and pet a cheetah. Then you have 5 separate classes of tiger. You have the giant tiger, the big tiger, the medium tiger, the small tiger, and the smallest tiger, which is basically a newborn tiger.
How does it work?
We have this cheetah, yes, orange shirt, yes.
Cheetah.
You can go to cheetah first. Wash your hand, please.
Another thing that we love about this place is the sanitary precautions. Before encountering the animals, you absolutely have to wash your hands before and after. That will prevent contamination from you to the animals, from the animals to you. So they make sure that you wash those hands before the encounter and after the encounter, which is absolutely beautiful.
Can you go back click on the table?
Không vừa, nào mang vừa ơi. ก็ได้พี่อ่ะไม่ต้องมีก็ได้
อยู่ตรงไหนก็ไม่มีคนพูดอยู่ด้วย Thank you. Oh, you man.
You okay? Anything else?
I'm good.
Okay. Unless you want to with your phone,
What?
a video. You should. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, what about you kissing the thing? Can you think you get down there to kiss it
I don't know.
with your leg?
I might. You could.
But you want to kiss again? You kidding me?
No.
Ooh. Okay. I got a good one.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Oh. That's cute.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was dope.
I got a little scared because he started like,
Really jitter.
no, he started purring. I'm like,
He started purring.
I didn't know what that meant. So I was like, you know,
China?
I'm looking for. I want to get up. Yeah, he was like his body started to vibrate. I don't know what that means. Touching it, don't touch fully back side. Don't touch around it, okay? Touch fully back, please. Stay from behind, touch them boom.
I found that. Huh?
This damn shoulder bottom.
Man, that tail was heavy. That joint snatched it away from me. I'm like, hold on, boy.
Dang. I was like,
It snatched away from you too?
yeah, that's what
I'm like, why she dropped it? She like animals. Then I saw exactly why you dropped it.
Yeah.
It snatched away like, my tail go,
Right.
man.
That's why I'm surprised you picked up the tail. I'm like, Moses.
Tiger might spray. No. Tigers are not sedated or drugged. It's expensive and it compromises the viability of the business. They just really cheap. Did y'all get in one yet?
Yes, we're number 9.
Oh, we took ours already.
What's it here?
We were at that one.
Oh. Yeah, well. Here for the small.
Oh, the small was longer.
I'll get to the large stuff.
Okay.
Big, Hello. More tiger.
Oh,
Finish.
yeah, finish.
You can see. Okay.
I can.
Slowly.
Thank you. You're like, Papa. Papa. Papa.
He got happy too.
Stunning us. They're looking for Papa. And for the tourists and guests who have children, there are height requirements and age requirements, and children under 2 can enter for free if they have their guardian with them, and they can only go and encounter with the smallest, aka newborn tigers, when they are at the Tiger Kingdom for this excursion. Are the tigers sedated? Are they asleep? What's wrong with the tigers? Are they okay? These are all questions we get, and my answer is no, no, nothing, and yes. These animals are absolutely okay. At the Tiger Kingdom, animal welfare is literally Tiger Kingdom's top priority, and they provide the animals with the best care possible. The animals are literally never chained, they are not sedated, they're not declawed or defamed. Daily human interaction is actually the key that helps create these beautiful bonds between animal and human. The interaction from the trainers and the animals is what allows the animals to not be aggressive and be able to handle all of the traffic from the guests, the tourists. So they actually build a nice ecosystem where the animals and the humans can interact without any problems or issues.